Here's something to think about, an explanation, a free gift, and a solution in less than 5 minutes. The mind consists of two parts, a conscious and a subconscious. The conscious mind is the intellectual, thinking mind. The subconscious mind is the emotional, spiritual mind. It's here we also find the paradigm. The problem is that the conscious mind is only 5%, and very few really know how to use it. In the next few days, I will teach you more about it and the conscious mind, including the 6 higher mental faculties which you can use for thinking. And here the good news and an explanation. The distance between the conscious and the subconscious mind is only 6 inches. It's a distance between your ears. It's all about mindset. The conditioning and programming of your paradigm takes place after birth and becomes the precursor for the rest of your life. If you don't succeed with radical or permanent change, it's because of the paradigm. The mental program basically runs your higher mental faculties and habitual behavior. And almost all behavior is habitual. To get change and results, you got to go to the primary cause, the paradigm. Behavior is only a secondary cause. To break free, you got to learn to think beyond your mental paradigm and change your mindset. When you do that, everything will start to change. That's my purpose, and I'm here to help you and your business with that. And I'm 100% invested in your success. There's not a second to waste. You're paying for life with life, so here's a free gift and an exercise. Start to train your awareness. For at least 3 times a day, stop and think. Notice what you're noticing. Notice what you're thinking. And what do you think about what do you think? Post it in the chat. I really want to help, hear about it, and celebrate you. And stay connected, because soon we will start to launch free masterclasses and more. Thanks for all your likes, comments, sharing, and subscription. It helps me to help more. Now, take it to the next level and contact us for a free talk. We would love to hear from you. These talks have changed many people's lives overnight, and they cost you nothing. We simply have a system that works. Success is not a secret, it's a system. I would love for you to have that system and work in harmony with the natural laws of the universe. If you do that and connect to your higher side, everything becomes possible. If you want to know how, then call me now. My name is Kasper Larsen, and I'm here to help you. Shift your mental paradigm and master your thinking, so you can get full spectrum success, prosperity, and a fulfilling life. Personal, professional, relational, and spiritual. I wish you a beautiful and successful day. Presence, peace, and prosperity. And remember, be the energy of your wish fulfilled, because you might as well create a reality you want and manifest the good that you desire. Keep up the good work.